If you need to cancel your Hulu subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts provided, which may include confirming your decision to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Hulu's customer support.